what we're going to do now is create a quadrilateral with two parallel sides and a very specific length for those two sides. AB is going to equal to 5 and CD is going to equal to 9. First thing is we're going to actually use the gridded paper. On the gridded paper, we are going to create two line segments. One, it's AB, and remember AB has to be 5 units, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And CD is going to be 9 units. So 5, 9 units. Now I need to create this quadrilateral, okay, and my only two conditions is that they have a specific length, okay, and that those two segments are parallel. The other thing that I'm going to do is that I'm going to make it slanted. Okay, so first things first, we're going to create an array. Now E is going to be our start point. Okay, we're going to create another array starting at E and going to any direction we like it. So we place the point there, and that's the second array. Okay, our job is to decide where the second parallel line is going to be. So for my purposes, I'm going to put it right here. This point right here is where my second parallel line is. In this case, it's point I. Okay, I decided that CD is going to be in line GF or ray GF, and then AB is going to start at I. But first we need parallel lines. So we are going to create parallel lines by using our compass. We place the compass on top of E. Let's close it a little. And we're going to essentially create corresponding congruent angles. So we create the arc with their 2 points of intersection. We go, place it on I, and create exactly the same arc. Okay, we take away our compass, we grab our point tool, and we start placing our points. Okay, now we have new points K, J, and L. What we need to create now is a new line. Okay, a new line right here where I starts. Okay, so we need the compass tool again. We place it on K and we open it until we have J. We close it, we move it, and find the point of intersection, which is going to be point right here, and we are going to place a point in that point of intersection, which in this case is labeled M. So now notice that we have this point right here. Okay, once we have that point, we are able to create parallel lines, which is exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to place my parallel line on top of those 2 points. Okay, now this line right here and this line right here are parallel. The last thing that we need to create is create congruent segments. Okay, let's go back. We need a congruent segment to AB and a congruent segment to CD. By using our compass tool, Okay, we're gonna place the compass on one of the segments of the original ones, open it up to the other end, place it on top, close it, move it. In this case, I'm gonna make the smaller one be on top. Create the arc, and you have a point of intersection. With that point of intersection, we're gonna go back and place a point there. Then we're going to do exactly the same thing with the larger set. We grab our compass, place it on C, and we open it to D. Close the compass, we move the compass now to E, right here at the bottom, and we create an arc. Notice that we have another point of intersection which we are going to use, and in this case it was named Q. Now we have all the points we need to create our quadrilateral, so we're going to grab the polygon tool and begin connecting dots. Okay, now look at what the quadrilateral is this one right here. It looks like a trapezoid. One of the key features of a trapezoid is that they have two parallel lines, okay, that are a very specific length. So